Or you can. Oh, it's already up? Okay, I got you. Go ahead. Like, give me a hit of a beat real quick. Okay, yeah. That's a good sign, yeah. That's a good level.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, next producer up, the homie Chance. Y'all show your love, man.
Wait a minute, is this a remix of this? Oh no, I know it's not a remix, but like. Okay. Let's go.
Never lied in my raps, I just played. Y'all saw me in that Ferrari before you heard her from me. That's how I played. All out made, still stab fatal. Let's get the flare. Preparing for rainy days, umbrellas in the rain. This industry is amazing, independent is the only way. I was just out viewing the cameras. I can't stand them, tapping clean. Try to keep the upper hand in the game. Diamonds in the band, diamonds in the dive, diamonds in the band, everything. Now I'm talking that shit, cause I really bought that shit. Rolling like I didn't want that shit. I was smoking when you see me pop that shit. Ain't shoes cause I'm always walking that shit. Oh, I really want that shit. Talking that shit, cause I really bought that shit. Rolling like I didn't want that shit. So when I kill it, when you see me pop that shit. Change shoes when I'm always walking that shit. That's all, that's all. Shit.
other, lift each other up, encourage each other, and also make music together. Like, I was about to say, like, the joint that you heard, like that last one you heard me play, is probably gonna be on the project that I'm trying to do, like, remix for all my friends, like, music around here. It's called for the homies, you know what I'm saying? Say less, my boy. That's like, I've been thinking about, like, reaching out to different artists I fuck with. Like, hey, yo, like, I'm putting a compilation album together. I'm working out with some machines, like I'm gonna do all this stuff before like get the paperwork right, and then like doing everything I need so it can get monetized whenever it does get placed somewhere, and then just hopefully people start getting like royalties money and all that stuff. But yeah, like I want to do everything the right way, but at the same time like I want to make the positive. So yeah, bro. Bro, it's like music. The music thing is dope. It's so equitable if like it could if you do it the right way. Like as long as everybody thinks like proportions splits, like why not? You know what I'm saying? Because like for me, I don't need a certain higher percentage. Like we all contribute to the same like song the same. So like not just like me and like I'll say right? Like, all right, one third. What's the problem with that? I don't understand my baby. So wrong. Just make sure you're not screwing nobody else and make what you want to do. You can make more music, especially if y'all make trash.
I got 13 more in the bag. I do them 4,400. This one's mine. This one will be my name. But yeah, so I do them based off of like how much you want basis. So I set the bottom and I set the top. But yeah, actually how I'm gonna
Enjoy the great deals at the Wake Bakery today. Did you know it's their 2-year anniversary?
We talked about it.
They've been here for 2
My
years.
Instagram is so fucking bullshit recently. I can't remember
Like, come on, ladies and gentlemen. That might chop the pumpkin though. Y'all should try that. You know, fuck it.
Having like a touch panel to actually like fuck with, like, cause I had like a Core Chaos pad, and I used to love using it on performances. I wanted to get the record replay, but it's not. I mean, they say it's a beat machine, but it's like I've heard like from a very dope producer, like it's not like made to like really make beats like that. You can make beats, but like the workflow on is weird. So I'm just gonna use it as an effects box if I have it, but like 4 different buses with like I don't know how many like.
Oh yeah, no. This whole
And you can assign any of those knobs, like, so what happens if you like do both at the same time? That's cool. Yeah, but like if you time it just right. And I wonder if you can actually change that, like that template to make them go both at the same time. That'd be crazy. Yeah, that'd be crazy. Nah, for sure, bro. Because like my next beat machine that I get is gonna be a beat machine. I don't know if it's gonna be the one. It might very well be the one. I want a live too. Yeah. Okay. Nah, that's a bad. Like, I wanted the machine studio for that particular thing, but I don't even think it's worth getting one now.
Why you say that?
Because, I mean, they probably are, but like, alright, if I'm gonna be real, like, I don't understand native instruments and like where they're going with this shit, because it's like, we don't need another box right now that does the same exact thing as the MK3. Like, Machine 3 by itself now has stem separation in it. So, like, that software is really all you need. But if you're gonna have another machine, like, y'all need to be able to do more with effects, like all that type of stuff, for it to actually be worth money, like, you know, worth spending for. I mean, that's fair. Because like I had to do that with the 404, but like the funny thing about the 404 is it already comes that way. All you got to do is load the beats in there, and it's just like, hit this button. What is that? Oh shit, you know what I'm saying? So like, yeah, bro. Like, I miss having like a touchpad, like I can actually like fuck with. So. And honestly, I feel like if you really wanted to do some like gimmicky type shit with it, get a stylist and like act like word. Oh, I didn't know that, because I just see more people using their fingers whenever they, you know, use the touchpad. But that's crazy.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is the Plug and Play Open Arts, powered by the Genius Party, brought to you in part by the good old folks at We Wake and Bake. Right now, you're rocking to the sounds of my homie Chaz. Hope you're enjoying yourself. They got deals on deals on deals today. Get you a latte, you know what I'm saying? Get you one of the seasonal joints. Look, I swear by the white chocolate. This shit's so good. They got lemonades, they got teas, they got cookies. You know what I'm saying? I feel like we need to have like a group with Jose and Billy and myself. But nah, for real, enjoy the treats. Treat yourself, man. Also, we are the Genius Party. You can follow us at the Genius Party NC on Instagram, the Genius Party on Twitter, or on social media after that. Also, hit up the GeniusPartyNC.com if you want to know more about us. We also got a show October 26th at Machines and Carry. Pull up on us. We got a costume contest, fighting game contest, cash prizes, dope artists, dope MCs. You might find Chaz there again. But if you do, you should make some music with him. ISD.
Let me step away, bro. Oh, got him. Oh, like the way you got Jay's cadence on this.
First I was like, yeah, I kind of had to think, but I was like, I like it though.
No, it feels jazzy just because like it feels like he's got a swing to the way he rhyming to this beat, but like it's also the drum pattern. That's
I appreciate it, bro.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's one reason why we love Biggie. He always rap with a swing.
Yeah. Appreciate y'all. It's my time.
Chaz.
You can find me at I am Chaz, IYAMTHAS.
Yeah. Oh, shoot. Yeah, see,
It got me too. It got me too. Man, y'all show some love for Chaz, man. Like, hey, nah, he was, he took us to a very jazzy place, and I like that. That is lovely. Sir, more fire. More fire. All right. Who's next? Oh, man. Oh. It's, our time to go. Don't even worry about that. That's why I was like, oh, where you at? Next, up, this, man, Billy, Billy, yeah, let's go.